Hello and welcome to Excellence Link Academy. For today, we look at the concept of how to correctly write the name of organic compound. It's one thing to know how to name organic compound. It's still another thing to know how to correctly write them, right? So for this class, look at how to correctly write the names of organic compound. Basically, there are four rules in the proper writing of organic compound, right? So I've done a video of organic chemistry from scratch, right? So if you're interested in watching our video from scratch to this point, I'll drop the link to those video in the description of this video. So what is the description of this video? You see the link to those classes there. So let's look at how to correctly write the names of organic compound. Rule 1 says separate number from numbers using a comma. If I'm to write organic compound, let's say I want to write 3,2-dibromo. Let's say I have 3,2-dibromo, for instance. I will not write that 3,2-dibromo. I want to write it like this way. This is 32, not 32. So it says separate number from number using what? A comma. We have to write 3,2-dibromo because what there? 3, this is wrong. 3, 2, then dibromo. So separate number from number using a comma, as you can see. That's your rule 1. Always separate number from number using a comma. Rule 2 says separate number from alphabet using an hyphen. Right? So let's say I want to write what I said earlier in full. If I have to write 3,2-dibromo, for instance, 3,2-dibromo, I'll write it as 3,2-dibromo. Observe, I separate number from letters using what? Hyphen. I separated number from number using what? A comma. Please, so don't write it as 3,2-dibromo. This is very wrong. Very, very wrong. So I said separate number from number using a comma, number from alphabet using what? An hyphen. So this is correct. This is what? Wrong. Let's say I have another example. Let's say I have let's say I have 2 bromobutane. I want to write 2 bromobutane. Becomes 2 then bromo, right? Bromobutane. So this I have to write 2 bromobutane, not 2 bromobutane. This is wrong. What is what? Correct. So I'm saying rule 1 says separate number from number using a comma. Rule 2 says separate number from alphabet using what? An hyphen. Rule 3 says the number after the number before alphabet should be written with what? A small letter. That is, if I have a number here and I want to write an alphabet, that alphabet should be what? With small letter. Let's say yet I still have that same let's say I have an example for rule 3. Let's say I want to write 2,3-chloro 4-fluorobutane. Let's say I want to write 2,3-chloro 2,3 observe. I want to write chloro. So because what the thing is that, okay, let's use 2,3-chloro for instance. Just 2,3-chloro. If it's 2,3-chloro, I'll not write it as chloro this way. This is wrong. Like letter before or after an alphabet should be what? Small letter. So I'll write this as what? Small letter, as being what? Chloro. This is correct. So number before alphabet should be what? Sorry, alphabet before after number should be what? It should be what? A smaller letter. Observe my writing here. I wrote 2 bromo. Observe this after hyphen here. My letter was what? Smaller letter. So after the number, perhaps letter before number should be written what? Smaller letters. So that's your rule 1. Rule 1 says separate number from alphabet using what? A comma. Rule 2, separate number from letter using what? Hyphen. Rule 3 says number letter before number should be written with what? Smaller letters. So I have this. Let's take rule 4. Rule 4 says that if a name of organic compound is starting a compound, use a capital letter, right? That is, if I have, let's say I want to write cyclooctane. Cyclooctane, for instance, this is cyclo let's say propyl, for instance, cyclopropyl. This cyclopropyl, this one started the name, so it should be what? Capital letter. But if it's in between numbers, that should be what? A small letter. So if a name of any compound is starting the top, you should use a capital letter to name it. This is cyclo of a propyl, right? So let's say I want to name, let's say I have a compound. Let's say let me write a compound here, and let's say I'll write that compound. Let's say I want to write 2,3-dibromo, right? 4-chloro, 3,2-diethyl, 3,2-diethyl, 5-methyl propyl. So this compound is 2,3-dibromo, 4-chloro, 3,2-diethyl, 5-methyl propyl. Observe my writing. I separated number from number using comma, number from alphabet using what? Hyphen. Also observe that the letter before a number is what? Is smaller letter. Smaller letter, yeah? Smaller, right? Observe. 3, 2, says separate number from alphabet. This is what? Hyphen. Then an hyphen should be here. Hyphen. Right? An hyphen should be here. So this becomes what? 2,3-dibromo, 4-chloro, 3,2-diethyl, 5-methyl propyl. This is how to write names of organic compound. See you in the next class.